Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janae and today we are going to be talking about my 4-year lock anniversary. Can you believe it? It's been 4 years. So if you like content like this, definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned to see all about my 4-year lock update. Alrighty, so let's get into all things 4 years locked. First, I want to go ahead and give you some visuals. I will also be uploading a picture/video only as I usually do. That will be coming soon, but I will give a quick overview right now. Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Janae. Hi you guys, my name is Janae and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Janae. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae. So some of the things that I want to talk about is how do I feel about my lock anniversary, 4 years locked. I love them. I still have not changed my mind in terms of wanting to cut them or take them out. It's the best decision that I've ever made in my entire life. And if you're thinking about locks, I feel like this is definitely your sign to definitely start them and stick to it. It definitely shows strength and basically self-discipline. I have been on discipline journeys in my 20s, getting into more health and fitness, and being on this lock journey has shown me that I can commit to something and stick with it no matter what. So definitely still loving my locks. As far as styling my hair, I don't do too many styles. Today I decided to do the 2 ponies, and I usually just do a braid out. Now recently I tried a curl set and that didn't really go well for me, so I don't know if it was my technique or if my hair doesn't really take well to curls, but if it can hold like the crinkly look, I think that is something that I did in my technique, so we will definitely try to retry that. Hi, Janae here. I am going to show you guys my failed attempt on this roller set of curls. So this is the roller. I used a lot of body and some water. I think where I messed up is that my hair wasn't fully saturated or fully wet. I just kind of spritzed it with some water, and then right here I'm just parting the hair, but I believe I might have used too much product as far as a lot of body. I've seen other hair video tutorials on this and it looks like they diluted the lot of body with the water, so I will definitely retry this.
So this is the next morning, and I will definitely be retrying this set. Definitely want a tighter curl, but any tips or tricks that you guys can leave down below for my next video on when I retry this roller set would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.
However, I'm not really big on styling my hair a bit much. I already am a busy mom and have to do a lot of things around the house and at work. So the ease of being a Black woman and just getting up and going, literally I get up in the morning, spray my hair with some water, and I go. The only time I really take care of my hair is on the weekends when I have time off. And I am still not using any products as far as oils. I moisturize my hair with water. In the winter months, I try to use something like a curl refresher. This is for my daughter's hair, and sometimes I'll use like little mist and conditioner mist type of deals, but not too much. I really am firm on not using too many products and working my hair from within. But now that it is winter where I'm at, I'm in the Midwest, and it is cold and dry, and it does definitely affects my hair. So when I do my braid outs, I am starting to see a lot of little bits of hair and pieces, like tiny shed hair, due to the cold weather. But it's been for years, and my locks have been prospering. As far as the frizz, I don't really have too much frizz now that my locks are fully matured, but the frizz is only at the root. Also, I can see color changes in my hair as far as with time going on. It seems like the ends are getting a lot lighter, and my roots are a lot darker. I would label my hair as a 1B, naturally brown, really dark brown, not black. But now it's like a brown towards the end. So if you could see it against my dark color, my black top, you can see the slight difference in color. An issue that I've been having is lint, especially in the root of my hair, like the back of my hair. But I really feel like there's really no real way to get around it, except for dyeing the hair. The only thing I can really think is to try to pick through it. I've tried to pick through it, but the hair is just the microlocs are so tiny that it's really hard to pick the lint out without damaging the actual lock. So some you can just pull straight out, and some they're deep in there. So the only other thing I can think of is, like I stated, is to dye the hair semi-dye or permanent. I don't really believe in dyeing, so I'm still not a fan of or thinking about dyeing my hair black. I know my locks are clean. I know I'm a clean person. I haven't really gotten any shady looks about the lint being in my hair. I really feel like you can't even really see it unless you're like up close and personal, and even then, nobody should be that close to me that I really don't care for. My fiance doesn't have a problem with it. So it is what it is. As far as my reties go, it still takes me roughly 10 to 12 hours, and I have been exclusively interlocking my hair from start to finish. I started them, I have interlocked them. Nobody has played in my hair in terms of going to an actual loctician. It's just too expensive, and I feel like I am young enough and still willing and able to lock them myself. So why go to somebody to do something that I can do freely and I am okay with it? I usually try to knock it out on the weekend, and also I don't go 6 weeks in between reties. I go 4 weeks in between reties because my actual hair strands are very thin, and so the longer I let them grow out, the more attention it puts on my roots. And my whole reasoning for starting my lock process was to make my hair appear fuller. And now that I do have the fuller look, to maintain it personally, 4 weeks usually works best for me. So that's what I do. In terms of wash day, I don't have a real life like adamant about a certain shampoo and conditioner. However, I've been using the Garnier Fructis Honey Blend shampoo and conditioner. I'm starting to look into healthier options as far as no parabens or phthalates and stuff like that. So I will be looking into some other shampoos. I've also seen people use Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. I use that one as well, just as a body wash, and I've seen people use that as a hair shampoo for their locks. So I might start to look into that, as that is a more safer and more healthier option. But for right now, I don't have a super particular shampoo and conditioner. However, something new that I've been using is the Rev Air. I have my Rev Air and I love it. Yes, definitely love it. So I will be coming out with a new wash day routine here soon, so that you guys can see how I use my Rev Air on my locks. I really, really love it though. Also, the different stages in my locks, I realized in the beginning they were fluffy and curly and bouncy. The second stage was them starting to mature, but still a little bit bouncy. I kind of do miss the bob. Definitely kind of miss the bob and how short it was, and the short styles you can do. You can really do, I feel like you can do more short styles than you can when the hair is a little bit longer. Personally, I like long hair on me. It just looks better on me, but I do miss my short styles. I also even miss like the little short bangs that I used to have. So definitely enjoy the stages that comes with the lock journey. If you're going through this process, don't rush to get to longer lengths. Enjoy the process and do the styles. But I personally don't like to do a lot of styles. I just feel like manipulating the hair too much for me makes it not grow as much, and it also weakens the shafts of my locks. So I usually don't style too much. And next, like, upcoming things that I have for my locks is I'm thinking about putting in some twists and adding like some bohemian hair. I will pop in a picture of what I'm talking about. I'm thinking about doing that. I have put in extensions on my locks. I don't like to do it often. I think the last time I did it was about a year ago. So I'm not really big on it, but when I do, I like to go all out. So I might try to do that. And any questions or comments that you guys have, definitely leave them down below. But I don't really have too much on my 4-year lock anniversary. The only thing I can say is that I love being here, and the longer they get, the more confident I get. Sometimes I'm like walking around, I'm like, my hair is literally on my back. Like, sis got hang time around here. Definitely continue to look forward to my journey. Thank you if you've been here since the beginning. I really do appreciate it, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So without further ado, that's all I have for this video. See you all in the next video. Bye.